In this video, I've got something just a little different. My mom had this wood piece that she had got from my grandparents' house many years ago. And after some searching on the internet, I found out that this is, in fact, part of an antique clipboard. So I'm going to try to restore it. With the magic of eBay, I was able to find the piece that goes on here. So it would be one of those, it's super old. 1920s, I think. So it just goes like that. The paper goes here and clips back together. So I'm going to refinish it a little bit. Let's see if I can bring it back to its 1920s luster. I will take it outside and sand it down, and I did repair some cracks a while back. I was afraid it would crack further if I didn't, so I did that. So I'll take it outside and sand it, and then we'll go over it with another stain. I'm not quite sure which color I'm going to use, but I will fill in these holes for the screws to make it look a little nicer. Try to clean this up some. It's in really good shape. It's pretty heavy, so it's probably cast iron. So I'll clean this up some and see if I can restore it to something nice.
So I lost my audio, so I'm just going to voice over in this part. So I'm using the Minwax wood finish in natural, and that's the stain that I'm going to use on this. I don't want to change the color of it too much. I did sand it down, but you know, it could have been better, but it's fine. So I will put that stain down and then get the piece added on here. I think it's about as cleaned up as it can get. I'm not really sure. I don't have anything to polish it with, but I think we're just going to go with it. So let me get this stained.
And right here we go. Yeah, that's about as good as that's going to get, I think, for now. Maybe I'll take it a step further later, but for now I think this is looking pretty good. I've got some screws. I have no idea what they went to, but they don't go to this. Should fit though. Perhaps. We're going to find out. And last step here is to just screw it down. When I ordered this thing off eBay, it didn't come with anything, but it just had the clip. So just screwing this down. Well, it looks like I'm going to be in need of some shorter screws. So let me go find some of those. I think that's not bad. And here we go with the finished result. I think it turned out pretty well. Hopefully there's another 100 years of life left in this. Let me know in the comments if anybody's come across one of these at a flea market or an antique shop or anything like that. I'd be curious to know. I kind of had a hard time finding what I was looking for, so. And I think that Minwax Natural did a good job bringing that the color back, restoring that original luster that it may have had. And then I don't know anything about restoring antiques, and this is my first time doing so. Let me know what you guys think. Did I do okay? I'm pretty sure this sat in my great something grandparents' old post office / general store back in their tiny town in West Virginia. So I hope I did them proud in restoring this piece. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great weekend. Take care, y'all. Bye.